Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning essential Hebrew sentences. These are sentences that you can use in everyday life. In addition to being useful, learning through sentences allows you to learn vocabulary, verbs, and sentence structure in an organic way, just like children do. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To ask, what is today's date? Ask, מה התאריך היום? מה, what, התאריך, the date, היום, today. To say, I need translation. As a male, say, אני צריך תרגום. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, תרגום, translation. And as a female, say, אני צריכה תרגום. To ask, where can I park the car? Ask, איפה אפשר להחנות את הרכב? איפה, where, אפשר, it's possible, להחנות, to park, את הרכב, the vehicle. To ask, is there a problem? Ask, יש בעיה? יש, is there, בעיה, a problem? To say, there's a problem. Say, יש בעיה. יש, there is, בעיה, a problem. To ask, what do you recommend? When speaking to a male, say, מה אתה ממליץ? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, ממליץ, recommend, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה את ממליצה? מה, what, at, you, singular female, ממליצה, recommend, singular female. To ask, does this include VAT? Ask, זה כולל מע"מ? זה, this, כולל, includes, singular male, מע"מ, VAT. To say, I need to step out for a moment. As a male, say, אני צריך לצאת לרגע. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לצאת, to go out, לרגע, for a moment. And as a female, say, אני צריכה לצאת לרגע. To ask, can you wait a moment? When speaking to a male, say, אתה יכול לחכות רגע? אתה, you, singular male, יכול, can, singular male, לחכות, to wait, רגע, a moment. And when speaking to a female, ask, את יכולה לחכות רגע? את, you, singular female, יכולה, can, singular female, לחכות, to wait, רגע, a moment. To ask, where is the ATM? Ask, איפה הכספומט? איפה, where? הכספומט, the ATM. To say, it's too hot. Say, זה חם מדי. זה, this, חם, hot, מדי, too much. To say, it's not hot enough. Say, זה לא מספיק חם. זה, this, לא, not, מספיק, enough, חם, hot, singular male. To ask, can I see the menu? Ask, אפשר לראות את התפריט? אפשר, is it possible? לראות, to see, את התפריט, the menu. To ask, can I get another teaspoon? Ask, אפשר לקבל עוד כפית? אפשר, is it possible? לקבל, to get, עוד, more, כפית, a teaspoon. To say, I don't know. As a male, say, אני לא יודע. אני, I, לא, not, יודע, no, singular male. And as a female, say, אני לא יודעת. To ask, is it close to here? Ask, זה קרוב לכאן? זה, it, singular male. קרוב, close, singular male. לכאן, to here. To say, I need to charge my phone. As a male, say, אני צריך לטעון את הטלפון. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, לטעון, to charge, את הטלפון, the phone. And as a female, say, אני צריכה לטעון את הטלפון. To ask, do you have time for me? When speaking to a male, ask, יש לך זמן בשבילי? יש, is there, לך, to you, singular male, זמן, time, בשבילי, for me. And when speaking to a female, ask, יש לך זמן בשבילי? To ask, where are the stairs? Ask, איפה המדרגות? איפה, where? המדרגות, the stairs. To ask, is there an elevator here? Ask, יש כאן מעלית? יש, is there, כאן, here, מעלית, an elevator? To say, I need to make a call. As a male, say, אני צריך להתקשר. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, להתקשר, to make a call. And as a female, say אני צריכה להתקשר. To ask, what time will the place close? Ask, באיזו שעה המקום ייסגר? באיזו, at which, singular female, שעה, hour, המקום, the place, ייסגר, will close, singular male. To ask, what do you think about this? When speaking to a male, ask, מה דעתך על זה? מה, what, דעתך, your opinion, singular male, על, about, זה, this. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה דעתך על זה? To ask, where can I get coffee? Ask, איפה אפשר לשתות קפה? איפה, where, אפשר, it's possible, לשתות, to drink, קפה, coffee. To ask, is this the right way? Ask, זו הדרך הנכונה? זו, this, singular female, הדרך, the way, הנכונה, the correct, singular female. To say, I don't have money on me, say, אין לי כסף עליי. אין, there isn't, לי, to me, כסף, money, עליי, on me. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.